In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make more money using LinkedIn than any other marketing or lead gen that you're doing right now. So hang in there for a few minutes and I'll explain what to do. LinkedIn is by far the best place on the planet right now to get referrals and to make sales. So what I'm going to teach you will be cheaper than anything that you're doing right now and will have little or no competition. I literally only spend $15 a month to execute this strategy. So that I would say is super inexpensive. So let's get right into it. The whole reason to be on LinkedIn is to connect with people with similar clientele and to refer business to each other. So how do you do that? You pick your location, whether that's locally, nationally, globally, and you search for those who have similar interests or have similar clientele. An example for me when I was selling higher end homes was I would connect with people in industries like financial services, auto sales, attorneys, etc., etc. Once they agree to connect with you, you send them a message, and this is the most important thing and critical thing I will say in this entire video. Do not be too salesy on the first message. Just tell them that you're looking for a relationship where you can refer business to each other, and afterwards you then can connect on the phone, get to know each other, and that's where some sales can occur. You can decide to meet. Nowadays, I think that might be on Zoom, but maybe in person if that's possible. Once you meet and either refer somebody right away or have some future referrals, you create a system for staying in touch with them so you can both of you can be at top of mind. An easy or an appropriate way to do that would be to send out a monthly email just saying, hey, I did have a referral this month or I didn't have a referral this month, and be consistent with that every month. Let's now just very quickly talk about the technical part real quick. LinkedIn does allow you to reach out or message a limit of 150 people a day. So doing that manually would be a nightmare. It was for me when I first started. I will show you how to do that with an app that was, like I said before, only $15 a month, and that would it will take you less than 15 minutes a day to execute on this strategy. If you do execute on this strategy consistently, it will add between 10 and 50 sales or referrals and sales every year. And notice I didn't say just this year or next year. I said every year and for the rest of your business life. You're absolutely 100% welcome to reach out to me. Let's do a quick 30-minute Zoom call where we'll do a screen share and give you a detailed walkthrough of the entire strategy. I have absolutely no need to hard sell you into anything on that call. If it does blow you away, let's talk about working together afterwards. There's a bunch of ways, probably above and below this video, to reach out to me, and I will either talk to you soon or I'll see you in another video.